that's it for The Zone. Thanks for watching, Zedheads. Here's a fun fact. Today is National Clam Chowder Day, and I love clam chowder so much that I normally have a bowl of it next to my bed so that when I'm craving it in the middle of the night, bam, it's right there. I'm craving it so much right now, I knew I should have packed my emergency chowder kit.
This program is available in described video for the visually impaired.
I got a question. Oh, sorry.
The following film is a work of fiction. It is loosely based on historical events and is in no way meant to be historically accurate. Except for the talking turkeys. That part is totally real.